What up, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Visions with 2 Z's, and we're back with another one. Alright, last video I alluded to the fact that I got a new body. Oh yeah, I got a new body, baby. I got a new body. So after looking around and I was going back and forth. Like I said, last year I did shoot NASCAR, and a lot of people had a lot of good stuff. As you know, well, may or may not know, I shoot mainly Nikon. Let me qualify. I have nothing against Canon. I have nothing against Sony. I have nothing against any of the other major manufacturers. But I started with Nikon, and that's why I'm sticking with. That's why I have all my lenses and all my equipment. So for me to go and change now, it would be ridiculously expensive. So you know what, I'm gonna stick with what I know. And plus, I like Nikon. Why not? It's not like it's trash or nothing.
You suck.
So yeah, so after getting some stuff in my hands and going back and forth, and of course consulted the internet, there was certain criteria that I had that I really wanted to make sure I focus on. So I know I like to shoot a multitude of different things, but mainly a lot of action stuff, because during the summer, my kids are playing basketball, so I'm shooting a lot of basketball. So I need something that's good with low light, but yet a very fast focus system, so that I can be able to actually track the moving subjects and be able to focus on those guys while they're doing their thing. So I still do a lot of that, and also automotive racing, again, action type stuff. So I wanted something with a very, very good focus system, but I didn't want to just be limited to that. I still wanted to be able to go out here and shoot portraits. I still wanted to be able to shoot my real estate and do stuff like that. So I wanted something that was very versatile, that I could still go out and shoot all the other things that I wanted to do, but yet still be able to shoot the things that I have to shoot. I still want to be able to be good at that. So after getting my hands on different bodies and wrapping my hands around them and caressing them and just like, oh, my bad. Yeah, so after, playing around and doing a lot of research, I ended up with the Nikon D500. And she is a So yeah, the D500, man, it's nice, man. I love her to death. She has a little quirks just like anything else, but I mean, you just, as the photographer, with any tool, I don't care if you're a photographer, auto mechanic, electrician, cosmetologist, you gotta know how to use your tool. Use your tool. But you gotta be able to know how to use it and go around those little quirks. So but we're going to talk about a lot of different stuff with this body, man, because it handles business, man. It does everything I like well. And even though it's kind of long in the tooth now, I think it's like 3 years old now, which in camera years, that's like elderly. It should have gray hairs and stuff. But old girl handles her business. I love it, man. I love it. The focus system on it is crazy. It's almost to the point, sometimes it's just too aggressive. But yeah, it's a good camera, man. Again, I had a hard time trying to decide between the D500 and the D750. Did I want to go ahead and pull the trigger on the full frame thing? Because I have a combination of crop glass and a combination of full frame glass. So it wasn't really an issue with, if I was to go full frame, I wouldn't have anything to shoot with it. So that wasn't necessarily really the issue. But what made me decide to go with the D500, I wanted to have something that was a little bit more up to date, because I knew D750 replacement was going to be coming at some point or another, and I know I needed something to handle the action. That's what the D500 was made for. It's basically a professional action type camera. So not like action cam like a GoPro. Got one of those too, but no, I'm talking about from a professional DSLR standpoint. The D500, which is the replacement for the D300, D300S, is known more so for action and than for anything else. You know, like if you want to do bird photography, the D500 is great. Slap on a big 500mm lens, and the focus system on the thing will just track it and will not drop it. Most of the shots that I've missed, it's been my fault. It's not the camera's fault. The camera missed a couple, but for the most part, it's me. It's the guy handling the camera. The camera, yeah, it's me. So yeah, that's it. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna go into a little bit deeper dive about the D500, and I'm gonna do a couple of things. I got a couple of how-tos on the D500 that I want to be able to kind of throw out there. And yeah, it's going down. Like I said before, it's going down. All right, till then, I'm out. Peace. I dropped my lens cap. How can it have a proper, closure of the lens cap? Wait, oh wait, I got, oh, wait. All right. All right. Peace.